Tictail was once a popular option for entrepreneurs looking to build an online store, but before diving into it, there are a few key things you need to know. While it might seem like a good choice at first, it's essential to compare it to the competition to make sure it's the right fit for your business. First, Tictail is no longer active under its original name. In 2018, Tictail was acquired by Shopify and eventually shut down, redirecting its users to Shopify. So, if you're looking for Tictail specifically, you might find that it's no longer an option. Shopify, however, is still a top contender in the e-commerce space and offers a wide range of features and flexibility. Next thing, if you're already considering Shopify, keep in mind that its plans can be expensive, especially for small businesses just starting out. You'll need to weigh the features that come with the price tag and ask yourself if it's the right investment early on. The third thing to know is that Shopify offers extensive third-party app integrations. This is great for expanding the functionality of your store, but it can lead to additional costs if you need extra features, which can add up quickly. Next, Shopify's ease of use is a huge selling point. Compared to other platforms like WooCommerce or BigCommerce, Shopify makes it simple for newcomers to set up a store without needing technical expertise. The drag and drop interface is intuitive, and the support team is responsive, which is a plus. The fifth thing, though, is that some users find Shopify's customization options a bit limited unless you're familiar with coding. While it's easy to get started, advanced customizations may require hiring a developer, which increases costs and complexity. Next, Shopify's themes are attractive, but many of them are premium, meaning you'll need to pay for them. While there are free themes available, they can feel a bit basic, and your store could look similar to others. The seventh thing to be aware of is Shopify's transaction fees. If you don't use Shopify Payments as your payment gateway, you'll be charged an additional fee on top of the standard credit card processing fees. This can cut into your margins, especially for smaller businesses. Next, you should consider Shopify's scalability. Unlike platforms like Wix or Squarespace, Shopify is built for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're just starting out or expanding rapidly, it's a platform that can grow with your business. The ninth thing is Shopify's built-in blogging and content marketing tools, which make it easier to engage with customers and improve SEO. This is a big advantage over some of its competitors like BigCommerce, which has fewer built-in content features. Next, Shopify's customer support is generally highly rated. Whether you need help with technical issues, billing questions, or marketing strategies, their support team is available 24/7 via live chat, email, and phone. This is a huge benefit, especially when compared to other platforms with more limited support. The 11th thing to know is Shopify's strong community and knowledge base. With thousands of tutorials, forums, and resources, you can find answers to almost any question. This is ideal for newcomers who might not have much experience in e-commerce. Finally, Shopify's integration with various dropshipping services like Oberlo makes it a solid choice for entrepreneurs looking to get into dropshipping. You can easily import products and manage your inventory from a variety of suppliers, which saves you time and hassle compared to other platforms that lack such integrations. So, while Tictail may no longer be an option, Shopify offers many advantages, especially if you're serious about building and scaling an online store. It's an excellent choice, but if you're looking for a more affordable, flexible solution, check out our recommended platform, which you can try for free.